Are you tired of watching gas prices go up while your bike's mileage goes down? Welcome back to Bike Zone USA. Today, we're not talking about speed, we're talking about efficiency. I'm going to share 5 professional hacks that will help you squeeze every last mile out of your tank. These tips could save you hundreds of dollars a year. Let's dive in. Let your engine breathe air filter. The first and most overlooked step is your air filter. Think of it as the lungs of your motorcycle. If it's clogged with dust and debris, your engine has to work twice as hard, sucking in more fuel just to stay running. Checking your filter every 3,000 miles is a game changer. A clean engine is a fuel-efficient engine. Kill the friction tire pressure. Low tire pressure is a silent mileage killer. When your tires are underinflated, the rolling resistance increases. It's like trying to run through sand. Always stick to the manufacturer's recommended size. Just keeping your tires properly inflated can boost your fuel economy by up to 5% instantly. Smooth link, chain maintenance. Dry, rusty chain is a massive drag on your engine's power. If your chain isn't moving smoothly, your engine has to burn more gas to turn the rear wheel. Clean and lube your chain every 500 miles. A well-maintained drivetrain ensures that all the power goes to the road, not into overcoming friction. Smarter, not harder throttle. All love the sound of a wide-open throttle, but aggressive acceleration is basically burning money. For maximum mileage, use smooth, linear acceleration. Try to stay in a higher gear at lower RPMs when cruising. Short shifting is the secret weapon of long-distance riders. Conclusion and call to action. Start following these 5 tips today, and you'll see the difference at the pump. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Bike Zone USA for more expert motorcycle reviews and maintenance hacks. Let me know in the comments, what's the best mileage you've ever gotten on your bike? Thanks for watching and stay safe on the roads.